Loving bird is like loving humanity. See, I mean, this is the beauty of creation, beauty of true creation. See, because I think bird is a symbol of freedom. Bird is a symbol of love. Almighty loves bird. That's why it was created with a symbol of freedom, symbol of life. Every day, birds wake up and they don't think about their food, life, because the rizq is written. The rizq is always written. See, feeding earth is really blessing, truly blessing.